What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the full option charger. Let's begin. First, insert the vent mount into the vent of your choice. Then, add the screw holder that will secure your charger. Attach the charger to the mount and tighten the mount in place with the screw holder. Insert the cable into the charger and place your phone onto the charger. Click on the side button to remove your phone, and we're done. How to install the dash mount. Use this back knob to adjust the height of this mount. To adjust the length of the arm, use this knob to adjust. Then, add the screw holder. Attach the charger and tighten the screw holder to secure the charger onto the mount. Once attached, lock into place. It also easily installs on windows, windshields, and even on the armrest console for backseat passengers. Pushing down on the lever will lock the mount in place. Unlock by pulling up the tab. Firmly pull on the rubber tab to remove. Here are some extra features. How to turn on and off the auto clamp. To turn off the auto clamp, click on the back button once. Click it again to turn on the auto clamp. How to turn on and off the wireless charging. Place your phone properly to ensure your phone charges. Simply press and hold the side button for 3 seconds to turn off the wireless charging. There's also vent clip levels 1 and 2. Clipping to the left, which is level 1, will be looser than clipping to the right. That's all for your full option charger. Thanks for watching, and remember to always go full option.